Welcome to the last lesson of the Beginner Crochet Series. We'll be making this wagon wheel using chains and trebles. We'll also be using treble decreases, but not as actual decreases. In this instance, the stitch is known as two trebles together. Here is the chart symbol, stitch names and abbreviation for the two trebles together. This is the full chart, but we'll just be using the repeat section for the lesson. The repeats start from the blue lines. You'll notice that the repeats vary each round. The chart also looks a little crooked. That's because of the way the repeats work. The turning chain is counted as a stitch. We'll need 3 colours of acrylic yarn and a 4mm hook. The wheel measures 4.75 inches in height and width. Begin with colour A and a 4 chain ring. Chain 3. Then work 1 treble into the ring. The repeat starts with a chain 1, followed by 2 trebles together. First treble. Second treble, and close them together. It's exactly the same as a decrease. The repeat is worked a total of 7 times. The stitch count will be 8 trebles together and 8 chains. These are the 2 chains. We'll work in the top of the stitch to create 2 trebles together. First round finished. All our trebles will be made into the chain spaces going forward. Put the next colour on the hook with a slip knot. Join it in the first chain space with a slip stitch. Chain 3. Work 1 treble and 2 chains. The repeat is 2 trebles and 2 chains worked into each chain space. This round will have 16 trebles and 16 chains, so the stitch count has increased by 16 chains this round. Rounds are closed with a slip stitch in the second chain. Now add the third colour in the first chain space. Chain 2 for the first treble, then a treble, and a chain. Work another 2 trebles in the same space followed by a chain. Now for the repeat, which is worked in the next chain space. 2 trebles, chain 1, and 2 trebles, followed by a chain. We'll work this repeat a total of 7 times. Stitch count for this round is 36 trebles and 16 chains, so another increase of 16. The 15 repeats in the written and photo text have been grouped into 5 repeats on the chart. So 3 repeats of the text equals 1 repeat of the chart. Add the new colour for round 4. The starting set is chain 2. 2 trebles, and 1 chain. So in the text the repeat is 3 trebles and a chain 1, 15 times. If you're following the chart, 3 trebles and a chain 1 into each of the next 3 chain spaces a total of 5 times. The stitch count for this round is 48 trebles and 16 chains. Round 5 starts with a standing HTR. Yarn over and insert your hook in the stitch. Pull the yarn back through, and we have the regular 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over again and pull through all 3 loops, holding the yarn end as you do so. And that's how easy it is. Now just carry on making HTRs in each stitch. This round is like a border. There should be a total of 64 stitches. Close the round by going in the top of the first stitch. The finish wheel. If you enjoyed making it, then check out my free scarf pattern. The link is in the description. Well done for completing the beginner series. Check out the intermediate series to learn about post stitches and a lot more. Once again, thanks for joining me. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the intermediate class.